today we're using a bit different camera, and I should show you what it looks like. It's actually my mom's, but I'm thinking about saving up to get one, because we're going to see if the audio's good, and if the, excuse me, and if the video quality is good. I know the video quality is good, but audio is really what I'm seeing here, because it does not have a mic. This is it right here. Yeah, but anyway, today it is really warm. It's supposed to almost get up to 60 degrees. Oh my goodness gracious, he's a little bugger. But anyway, we should show you what it's like outside.
I think you should pull it farther away from your head.
No, I checked in the mirror before I started the vlog, so that I know, because it doesn't have flip screen. So. Also, it's waterproof, so that's good. Let's start this vlog. It's gonna be mostly outside stuff, so let's do this. Alright, guys, it is nice out here. That's for certain.
Don't even have a jacket on.
I'm just wearing it because I brought it out. But anyway, we got our roses that we're gonna plant.
Yes,
Look at them.
That one's Mom's. This one's yours. It's bright yellow.
Yeah, mine is bright yellow.
And Mom's got dark red, and I've got
You got orange.
orange as red as yellow.
And Mom got a really dark red. So
And you got the pots over there.
you should probably go help her. Mimsy, do you need it?
I can't make it.
We have a dirt.
It's not in the middle. I guess we can move the tire. Hey, don't laugh. I like things certain ways.
We have the worm. The worm is a squirming,
The root might actually be
trying to escape.
Ew, worms. I used to like when I was a little.
You used to make
He's a
pets
cute
out
little
of
guy. Mimsy.
I've dissected worms. Don't want to be that familiar with them.
Ugh.
I only did it because I had to.
Okay, worm.
So where
You can go in.
did dirt come up on this?
There we go. Come here. Alrighty. There's the rose. My beautiful rose. Let's see. What type is it? It is the Summer Sunshine. Has a fruity fragrance. And talking to the camera here.
Oh.
Yes. Clear deep yellow bloom. So I wonder what this thing shall turn into.
Tommy's about to do a tear down in the spirit.
Experience. It was the best time of my life. Get away, you violent Peter.
No,
Get
this
away.
is my tree.
No, it's not.
I know, but I call
Grandma
it.
Shrie's tree.
I know.
How dare
But
you
I
insult
call
Grandma
it
Shree. We're up in the tree. What is Mimsy's doing? Dun. Where's Dad? Dad's over there. There's Dad. Mimsy's. She's coming our way. She has a hummingbird feeder. By the way, what we're doing. Ow. It's painful up in this tree. But what we're doing is that we're hanging up bird feeders so the birds can come. The only problem is that we have cats. So we're going to try to put as many as we can. And our theory is that the cats will get confused and the birds will learn to go where the cats are not sitting. So that's a good idea. The hummingbird feeder is coming up here. Dun, 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 dun. Don't come up here. My tree.
No, it's both ours.
Oh, okay. I did not know. UFO hummingbird feeder engaged. The shark cage has been engaged. Also, guys, there's my rose. I think I already showed you guys that. But also, I got my bulbs. Let me just. It's hard holding the camera with one hand and you just switched around. Anyway, we're gonna use this tire here. And, exciting. Let's put the bulbs in. Very exciting. I know.
About what? About you, like, making it get in the wheelbarrow and it's dirty? I have to face my fear of getting dirty. That's what they said. So you need to go do that. I know, but they said that was silly. Yeah. I'm not used to the sunny weather. And I shall drive you around in the wheelbarrow. I shall push you, and you shall be like, no, no. There is an easy solution. What? You get a blanket and put it on it. Why don't you get a blanket? I shall get this tarp over here. But then we brush out all the sweat. But there is a scorpion in that tank. It was all black. It was cool when I saw him get out. But it was dead. Scorpions. How big? Not that big. I never knew scorpions even lived here. I'm gonna have to move out. Dad got that tank from somewhere and there was a scorpion in it. Oh, you scared me. Scorpion? I like scorpions, but one. Turn the camera to here. No, it wasn't that big. That's what you said. I said it was that big. Still, that's big. That's huge. Normally, scorpions are about that big, in my opinion. No, and it was like that way.
So we're in the car, heading toward. I'm not quite certain, but we're gonna go get some birdseed. I'm excited.
When I told you about the scorpion, your face was so priceless. You're like,
I was actually terrified. Because I picked up that tank, put it in the back of that truck, and I never knew that there was a scorpion that, like, as wide as my shoulders in there. Ugh, makes me think that there could be spiders or some sort of creepy insect somewhere. Oh, we are here to pick up some birdseed at the General Hardware store here in Key Center, our local town. Yeah. So let's go in.
flower seed's biggest hit.
Sunflower.
And Shreks.
And wherever the other birdseed is, but it's our bounty of today's quest.
It is Shreks.
I'm glad we got you this.
Cicadies, goldfinches, and a whole bunch of different ones that I don't know.
Oh, I know.
Mine attracts songbirds and I think woodpeckers. Songbirds and woodpeckers is what mine will attract. And I would say to my songbirds, sing me a song. But now we're out, and they will go cheep, 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 or however they go.
I don't know, but look how much strings they extract.
Oh wow, that's a lot of ingredients. It might not be that good for you. Shark cage number 1, engaged. Shark cage number 2.
It's not a shark cage.
Food station number dose, filled up with seeds. Feeding station number 1. I think it's the other way. No, I called that one number 2. That one over there.
I'll have to look up some hummingbird recipes for that for tomorrow.
I did not try to. Hummingbird feeder will soon be filled up. I didn't know that camera was on.
How?
Because I heard the beep in the background. But how you doing, guy? Just my hippies. That's what they call. Made out of garbanzo beans, but they taste just like cheese curls. I want these. Did I just eat two?
I don't think so.
I want them all together. It's together now. Wow. There.
Turn off everything. Oh, I should turn off these. I'm not messing with them. Ding, ding, ding. Ah.
Yeah, that's enough. I'm tired. We're outside in the wilderness. Oh, I thought you were going into the belly. It's ticklish.
My Fitbit is buzzing. I made it 10,000 steps.
Yeah. But anyway, we're on a walk around a roundabout up to the top of our hill to the end of the road, possibly, and back again. Man. Hey guys, we're doing vines and serious camera, or not camera, phone. So I shall show you it. Hehehe.
That wasn't very realistic, but oh well.
That's pretty good. The camera can't really see it though. It's the only thing, unfortunately.
There used to be a medicine.
I do not want to be a mattress. Hope you guys liked it. Remember to hit that red button right down there. Remember to hit that bell because I upload. Well, I try to upload each every single day, though usually that is not the case. I usually upload probably every other day. So remember to hit that red button. Remember to hit that bell, as I already think I said. And yeah, see you on the next venture. The Elvins. Crazy life. This lens is so small I can cover it with my thumb.